Bianca, what's your favorite time of the year?
Christmas.
Why?
Because I can receive a lot of gifts and you can hear music and everybody's happy. Not everybody, you're not happy, but I'm happy. He doesn't like Christmas.
And because it's Christmas and because we have 10,000 YouTube subscribers, what are we gonna do?
We're gonna do a giveaway on our channel.
And what are the things that we are offering?
Our favorite presents are books, so we're gonna offer books. But they're very cool books, though. We both read all of them.
We won't try to sell them because we already know that there will be enough participants to the giveaway, so don't participate if you don't want to. But Bianca, what do I need to do in order to participate? I want those books.
Do you know what those books are first?
No?
You should know what they're... Okay, so...
I lied.
You lied. Yeah, you lied, you know. So there are gonna be 6 books. I don't have enough fingers in one hand.
Thank God.
And there are 6 because we initially thought we should offer 3 books, but then we got a cool partner who's offering 3 of the books. They're cartepedia.ro, and they're offering the books in Romanian. So if you're Romanian and you prefer books in your mother tongue, you can
Even though you
specify.
need to learn English.
Even though you need to learn English,
So
but
3 English books and 3 Romanian books.
yeah, the English books are gonna be Elon Musk and the Quest for a Fantastic Future and Tesla and SpaceX, I think are in the title.
The second one in English is called I, Robot. It's a very cool book by Isaac Asimov. It's very related to computer science. It will inspire you to work more. It will inspire you to just sit on your bed and laugh while reading the book. And what's the third one?
Yeah, I just wanted to say that the second book inspired the first one because Elon Musk was inspired to do everything mostly by Isaac Asimov. And the third one is called So Good They Can't Ignore You. It's a very good book. It's written by Cal Newport. He's a professor at Georgetown University. And
it's the book is referred in half of our videos, so you probably know about it if you watched enough of our YouTube channel.
yeah, that's why one of the books in Romanian is also written by Cal Newport. It's called Deep Work, and it's about focus.
It's a good book.
Yeah.
You gotta trust us on this.
The second book in Romania, which one is it?
It's the Prelude to Foundation, also by Isaac Asimov. It's an incredible book. I remember when I was in university and my father told me that those books are great. He was the second person who told me this. I started reading those and I didn't do almost nothing. And I had exams and then I told Bianca about the books. And what
And
did
then
you do?
I read all of them in the exams, of course.
Yeah. She still got straight A's, but that doesn't matter. And what's the last book?
And the last book is Fight Club by Chuck Palahniuk. Actually, Fight Club, I think, is the first thing I remember Petru saying when we met. Just watch Fight Club. Yeah, so Fight Club
And
is
don't
great.
talk about it. Okay, so what do people need to do in order to participate?
Yeah, there are some things that you need to do. First of all, you need to share this video on Facebook. Share this post on Facebook.
If you're watching this on YouTube, we'll drop a link of the Facebook post that you need to share.
Then, after you've shared it, comment on this video on YouTube with the post, with the link to the post. It has to be a public post, otherwise nobody will see it. So you have to copy the link from the URL and paste it in the comment section. If you prefer one of the languages, specify which one you prefer.
Yeah, if you're an international watcher, comment with English. If you're from Romania and you don't want to learn English, then go away from our channel. Don't only come. I'm kidding. You can only comment Romanian. Yeah, so you can also specify the language of the books that you want. If you participate in both giveaways, you have more chances of winning, but you can only win one single book.
Yeah, so choose wisely. Yeah, and the last thing you need to do, but not the least important, is to like our partners page, cartepedia.ro. We are gonna drop a link in the description of the video and also on Facebook in the post, so you can check it out and like it. I think that's all. Yeah.
So we are waiting for your comments. we especially chose these books because those were the books which inspired us. They helped us build WellCode to what it is right now, to 45,000 registered users already. We're still growing, and I don't know why, because we're not doing any kind of promotion right now. Actually, we're doing, but
Yeah, we are.
yeah. So thanks a lot to everyone for watching this. Thanks a lot.
Wait. When are we gonna announce the winners?
Yeah, you're right. So we're gonna announce the winners on 24th December. So
Christmas Eve, everyone.
we're gonna do a live. How do you say it when you extract the numbers, as in lottery?
I don't know. Extraction.
We're gonna do a random extraction of the winner. We're gonna come to your place and extract you from your family and bring you to the live video. I mean, we're kidding, but we're gonna do this on Christmas Eve. You're gonna know if you're a winner. So keep an eye on our YouTube channel, on our Facebook page. Thanks a lot for being with us for 1.5 years already. It's been already a long journey, and it will be even longer. So thanks a lot, everyone, for watching. I wish you all the best. I wish you have pleasant and relaxing holidays, but don't forget to write some code and become a better programmer.
Yeah.
Hello, everyone, and you. 10,000 YouTube subscribers. We're gonna do a
2,000 years later.
Giveaway. We're offering 6 books. I don't have enough fingers on my hand. Bianca,
Bianca.